guess who is back at Modern Airsoft's Alpine field out here in Alpine, California. Now the field has changed quite a bit since the last time I've been out here. They added a lot more cover, they redesigned a lot of the maps, and they've even got plans for future maps, as well as they've added some vehicles and also added a bunch of cover to a whole bunch of the maps just to change things up and keep things fair. So with that, we're out here playing on bunkers, and I'm using the new HPA Tac41.
Alrighty.
You got a sniper too?
Yeah. This is the first time it's being fielded, and oh wow, that is a lot of hop. I think you got him. Yep.
Did I hit him?
Yep.
Nice.
Now these are the first shots that I'm taking with the rifle. I do need to dial it in and also get the hop up just a little bit, but I'm liking the rifle so far.
Damn, Booney.
Now what I'm actually surprised about the rifle is that I'm actually getting much further range than I do with the striker. That shot was 250 feet easy.
I think we both got him. You definitely got him first, if that's the case.
However, the hop-up seems to have a mind of its own. Even with it dialed into the lowest setting, sometimes the shots go straight up.
Hit. Wait. See him on that other spool over there.
So as the bucking is getting broken in, the rifle is getting more accurate and getting more dangerous.
Wait.